What off-label means, so that people understand, is that when something is FDA approved in the United States for one use, a physician, in their best judgment and based on their training and experience, decide that it can be used for another indication, let's say the lipstick lines. The doctor can use it, and it's called off-label of the FDA. The FDA governs and controls and restricts drugs and drug companies and devices and device companies. The FDA does not have any control over what is known as the practice of medicine. And so the physician, as long as what you're using is legal in the United States and you're not illegally importing something to do, but if you take Botox and you use it in an area, let's say for a downward turning mouth, that is an appropriate use of it as a physician. It's just not FDA approved, so the company can't advertise it or promote it for that use. That's what's illegal. This is where the artistry and the experience of a physician become very important, because this is where the innovation comes from. When Botox was originally used in one area, doctors tried it in other areas and reported back to the company, hey, it works here too. And then the company will do their diligence in order to get it FDA approved so that they can advertise it also works for crow's feet, it also works for forehead lines. But it's very expensive for a drug company to get FDA approval. The regulatory hurdles that they have to jump and the hiring of physicians to do the formal clinical trial, this becomes a very expensive proposition. So they need to make sure that it's a cost-effective use of their funds for research, and that they're going to get a good return on the investment of the monies they put in for that research to get FDA approval, that when they do advertise it, there's enough of a market that patients will seek it out and they'll get a return on their investment for research.